So in the test, the upcoming weekly test for you people, so just prepare the question. Like I have given two types of questions. First, where you have to frame the sentence, and the second where you have to make the like one would be framing the equation, one would be making the sentence. Okay, these are the only two type of question I have given. I have not given you the question for solving. Okay, for this week. But next week I'll give it. So you have to learn this week. I'll teaching you the entire thing. So that's why I've only given those questions in the test. I've not given solving it. Clear?
Ma'am, this week's
Yes,
test
ma'am.
is data handling.
Oh, okay. This is M2 batch. Okay, in M1 I've given that because I completed the chapter. Okay. So in data handling, of course, revise all the concepts like mean and everything. But I have given all the questions like mean, like that. But mostly focus on the graph. And I need everyone to draw a very nice graph. Okay, and use pencils. Clear to everyone? Okay, use pencils because pencil.
Ma'am, is the coming weekly test for bar graph?
It's yeah, the entire data handling chapter, entire. So you have to prepare.
You have also attended?
Sorry, yeah, you have to attend it. I think you will get a notification by Tuesday.
Ma'am, but I already did a weekly test on data handling, right?
Minisha, you were in that batch. Now you will be getting it according to that batch. You have to prepare simple equation.
Okay, ma'am.
So you were in other batch now.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you will be getting the things because that batch is M1. So that is already ahead of this batch. So you will be doing simple equation. I don't know how you will be get allotted. So in case they give you data handling, then well and good. But in case you like, you will get the syllabus by tomorrow. So don't worry. You people got syllabus. Manisha, you got the syllabus?
Ma'am, for the tuition one or the school?
No, this one weekly test.
No, ma'am.
No, then you'll get it. I think. Okay. So now let's
Okay.
just start with the next one, students. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Okay. Now, ma'am, what is the error method basically? Trial and error method is where you have to put the numbers and get it. Okay.
Not the letter, not the letter, ma'am. Like 5 + 2, like that.
Yes. So over here you will put the value. In the previous question, I already gave you the question and I was asking you whether it's correct or not. Right? In this, you have to get 70. Okay. So first of all, like for example, 5p plus 2 equals to 70. You have to get 17 by putting the value of p something here. So let's just put the value of p1. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 5 multiplied 5 plus 2. You got 7. So this value is not sufficient to get 70. Then you can put the value of p, for example, 2. Right? So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2. Yeah, you have to get
5.
70.
So, ma'am, it's 5 to the 10. So plus 2, 12.
So again, ma'am, not possible. Then let's just put 3. P equals to 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2. So 15 plus 2. 17. So ma'am, this
Yes.
is the correct value
So,
of
ma'am, so we are trying like all the numbers for the table to come.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody.
Yes,
Okay. So this is what you people have to do. So first one I've already solved. In the second one, you people will follow the same procedure. Okay, put the value of m here and accordingly solve it and tell me which number you get for m, which will be the correct fit for this. Okay. Everybody clear? Ananya, Hepzibah, Rida, Ishra, Manisha. Clear?
yes.
Yes. Isra, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one you will copy it here and then the second one you people will do it and then I'll tell you whether it's like just tell me the answer after that. Sorry, Ananya, you said something? Who said? Somebody said.
Ma'am, the mic was just on, so.
For this one, you have to write entire thing because this is trial and error method. So you have to show that I put it all these numbers, these were wrong, and that's why I got this correct. Okay?
Okay.
You have to show them. That's why it is trial, na? You have to try. In trial, basically what we do, we wear all the clothes and at last we finalize that cloth which fits us. Right? So similarly here, you will try all the numbers and then at last you will get that number that fits M. Okay?
Ma'am, so in the second one, we have to first multiply by 1, 2, and then if it's not coming in 1, we have to go to 2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did it.
I just wait for everyone to finish. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not done.
No worries, I'll wait. Hello, my name is Muskan and I'm a BTech CSE student.
Ma'am, so we need to get 4 right.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I know I'm asking too many questions, but like, it will come in 4, 4 right? 1 4 is 4.
No, you have to solve it, na? For example, if you put, you will put the value of M first and then you will solve it. Like 3 multiplied by that number, then you have to subtract 14 from that.
Oh, we have to subtract, ma'am, and this.
Yes, you have to solve it. Yes,
Like,
and Minisha, your answers are correct.
ma'am, I'm not getting it. If
See, in this question, in the first one, what I did, I put it the value of P1. Over here, I wrote 5 multiplied by 1,
yes,
then plus 2. So 5 multiplied by 1 was 5 and plus 2. In this case, basically, in this case, it is 3m minus 14. So 3 multiplied by, for example, 1 minus 14. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus 14. So what you got? Minus 11. Clear?
okay, ma'am.
This is what you have to do.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answer?
Rita is doing. Let's just wait for 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, while telling the answer, should we also tell the trial or only the answer?
Only the answer. Your answer is correct. You are in Hepzibah. You dropped in the chat box. It's correct.
Ma'am, it's Minisha.
Minisha and Hepzibah, you both dropped the answer. So it's correct. And Ananya also, your answer is correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's just quickly discuss the answer, students. I think it's high time. So for I think for this 6 is the correct answer, right? 3m minus 14. So 3 multiplied by 6 minus 14. So 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 14 would give you 4. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
6 is the correct answer for this. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone has any doubt in this? No, I guess it was very simple. Right? So let's just start then. I already taught you people how to write the equation of the following sentence statements, right? So here I'll be giving you 9 questions. Be very quick. I'll not tell anything. Be very quick and start doing question number 4. Here you go. So what you have to do, you have to only write the equation. You don't have to solve it. Only write the equation. Fine?
Ma'am, I don't understand the fifth one.
Okay, no worries. The one which you are not understanding, leave it. When we'll discuss the answer, I will discuss.
Ma'am, I finished, but instead of writing the sum of number x and 4 is 9, after that I wrote the third question.
Sorry?
Ma'am, instead of writing like 1, 2,
Huh.
I wrote like this, and this, like that I wrote.
Just correct the numberings.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because when I'll discuss it according to the sequence only, and then I think you might get confused.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when it says like 7 times m, we have to just write.
M.
We just have to write m, right? Nothing else.
Yeah, 7m you can write.
7m, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done, but I was confused in the sixth, eighth, seventh, and the ninth one. So I didn't wrote the one that I'm confused in.
Okay, no problem. Just keep the numbering correct, and I don't have any issues. When I'll discuss it according to numberings because.
Okay. Ma'am, can we discuss if everybody is over?
Let's just wait for 1 minute because others are doing. Then we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody finished? Should we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's still doing?
Yes, ma'am.
No, right? Okay. Okay. So first one, Hepzibah.
X plus 4 equals 9.
Okay. X plus 4 equals to 9. Everybody got this? Or anyone who got something else?
Ma'am, could you repeat that?
X plus 4 equals to 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Now the second one.
Ma'am,
Ananya, you tell me.
Y minus 2 equals 8.
Yes. Y minus 2. Everybody got this?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Now the third one, Minisha.
Ma'am, for the third one, I wrote 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 70.
Yes. 10 multiplied by A equals to 70. So you people can write it like this. 10A equals to 70.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wrote it like that, but then I erased it.
You have to write it like this only because, multiplication we can multiply. See, y and 2 you cannot subtract it because one is variable, one is
Ma'am,
constant.
was it supposed to be like 10A equals 70?
10A equals to 17. Yeah,
Yeah.
70. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. So is it okay if we write 10A equals 70, or do we have to write the multiplication sign?
Only multiplication sign.
Okay,
You can,
ma'am.
see, instead of writing it like this, it don't look good. So you can write 10A. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the fourth one, Istra. Fourth one,
It's 5 divided by b equals 6.
huh?
5 divided by b equals 6.
Ma'am, can I say?
Huh?
If it's okay. B divided by 5 equals 6.
Yes, equals to 9 or what? 6? Okay, sorry.
E6, ma'am.
So, now Isra, just listen to it very carefully. The number b divided by b is divided. Clear? Not 5 is divided. B is there and then it got divided. Clear? So it's b divided. So b upon 5, not 5 upon b. In case the question would be 5 divided by b, then it would be 5 by b. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
huh?
Is it okay if I write B, the division symbol, then 5?
Yeah, ma'am, is it okay if we write it like that?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Like B, then the division symbol and 5.
Yeah, that also fine.
Because ma'am, I wrote it like that.
Yeah, that's also fine. Not a problem. Okay. Now the fifth one, Hepzibah.
3 by 4th by 3 by 4th 3 by 4th of T equals 15.
Yes. So 3 upon 4 of t. So like 3 upon 3/4 of t would be 3/4 of t. Would be 3 upon 4 multiplied by t. So when 3 got multiplied with t, it got 3t divided by 4. Okay. So 3t by 4 equals gives you 15. Okay. Next
Ma'am,
one.
can I say?
Huh?
No, ma'am, actually, I wanted to say the yeah,
Sixth one.
sixth one, right? Yeah. 7m plus 7 equals 77.
Yes. 7m plus 7 equals to 77. Okay. Now Minisha. Next one. Seventh one.
Sometimes. Ma'am, I wrote x by 4 minus 4 equals.
Yes. 1/4 of this. So x upon 4 minus 4 equals to 4. Everybody? Okay. Now the eighth one. Isra, do you want to try?
Ma'am,
Yes,
is that
ma'am.
x or n?
Wait. Yes, you had a question.
It
6y
says
minus 6 equals to 60.
Can you please pardon? Isra, pardon it. I can't hear you, Isra. Isra, I think you were saying right, but I was unable to hear you. Can you please repeat it?
So 6y minus 6 equals to 60.
Yes, correct. So 6y minus 6 equals to 60. I hope everybody got the same answer, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, last one,
Ma'am, I
Ananya.
have a doubt.
Yes, Anna?
In the seventh one, did you wrote x by 4 or n by 4?
It is x only, no?
4.
Yeah, x by 4 only. And I write it like this. X would be this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, yeah, ninth one, Ananya.
Ma'am,
Ananya, can you hear me? Ninth one.
Yes, it's 2 by 3 plus 3 equals 30.
Huh? 2 by, it's z, Ananya.
Oh yeah, z by 3 plus 3 equals
Z by
30.
3 plus 3 equals to 30. Yes. Everybody got these answers only, or anyone who has any confusion in this? I hope everybody got the same answers, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's just start with the next one. Now you have to frame the sentence. Okay? Clear?
What, ma'am?
Now the question which I'll give you, you have to frame the sentence. The equation I will give you, you have to frame the sentence. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Here you go.
Ma'am, we can write gives an equal, right, for the sign. Equal.
Sorry.
For equal, we can write the equal
Give.
or equal
Yeah, you can
or
write equal
give.
as well, or you can write gives.
Okay,
Or
ma'am.
you can write is.
Okay. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Let's just wait for everyone. Okay.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished or anyone who is still doing? Anyone who is still doing?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
Okay. So let's just discuss the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, P plus
Okay,
4.
let me just ask you people randomly. Okay?
Okay.
That will be good enough. Okay. First one. Ananya.
P added to 4 gives you 15.
Yes.
Ma'am, P plus
Hmm.
4 can also be like that, right? We can
You
write
can
P.
also write the sum of P and 4 is 15. You can also write when we add 4 to P, we get 15.
Ma'am,
And
is it okay if we write P plus 4 gives 15?
I told you, instead of using plus and all that, you just should add addition,
Okay,
subtraction.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, second one, Hepzibah.
7 subtracted from M gives 3.
Okay, good. You can also write if we subtract 7 from M, we get 3. Okay. Now the third one, Manisha.
2 multiplied by M gives you 7.
Okay. Isra, the next one. Isra, am I audible?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, Isra will answer. Isra, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
The fourth one.
Fourth one,
Fourth one. M upon 5 equals to 3.
M divided
M divided by 5 gives you 3. Okay.
Ma'am,
You can also write 1/5 of m is equals to
Ma'am, is m by 5 equals 3 okay?
3. M by, no. M by is what is by? There's nothing like that. We only pronounce it. M divided by 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Hepzibah.
Next one, 3/5 of m gives 6.
3/5, yeah. 3/5 of m gives, or you can write 3 times m is divided by 5, which will give you 6. Okay, your choice. Okay, now the sixth one, Rida.
3p added 4 gives 25.
So 3 times p, where like if you add 4 to 3 times p, you get 225. Okay, now the
Ma'am,
seventh one.
Can I say
Yes.
it again? 4p subtracted 2 gives 18.
Instead of this, in subtraction, just write it like this. When we subtract 2 from 4p, we get 18.
4p we get 15.
18.
Yeah, sorry, 18.
The last one, Ananya.
P divided by 2 plus 2 is 8.
Instead of using plus, just write when 2 is added to p divided by 2, or 1 upon 2 of p added to 2 gives you 8. So instead of using plus and all that,
Okay.
okay. So when 2 is added to 1 upon 2 of p, we get, or when 2 is added to p divided by 2, like that you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the last question for this exercise.
Ma'am, this chapter is small or big?
This is not the last question. This is the last question of the exercise. You have after this solving one more exercise, I guess. 1 or 2, I don't know. I think, yeah, 1 and then 2 more exercises after this. So 2 more classes for this. Okay. Everybody, here you go. Start doing it. So instead of this, you cannot check any number over here because the number is already given.
Could you do the
M
first
is.
one so we get an idea?
Sorry?
Could you do the first one so we can get an idea?
It's the same. You have to frame the equation only.
So, ma'am, what does like 5 times mean? Ma'am,
The Ifran says that he has 7 marbles, right? More than 5 times the marble permit has. 37. Clear?
okay,
ma'am,
Ifran says that he has 7 marbles. So, for example, marble is M. Okay. Take M to be the number of permits marble. Okay. So, Ifran says that he has 7 marble more than 5 times the marble of permit. What is the value of permit marble? M. And 7 more. So, anyone who can frame it? Easy, I
Ma'am,
guess.
so E7.
Huh? Yes, ma'am.
ma'am is it 5m plus 7 equals 37?
Yes. So it says, Ifran says that he has 7 marble more than the 5 times of marble of permit. So permit marble is M. 5 times of permit marble means 5M. And Ifran has 7 more. Plus 7 is, Ifran has total 37. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now do the second, third and fourth.
I don't understand the fourth question.
Sorry?
I don't understand the fourth question.
No problem. Let's wait for others, then I'll discuss all the answers. Okay?
Okay.
And ma'am.
Is the second one 4y plus 3 equals 49?
Sorry, Rida, can you please pardon?
Ma'am, is the second one 4y plus 3 equals 49?
Which one? Third one?
Second one.
Tell me.
4y plus 3 equals
No. Read
it's
it
like
again.
49
Huh?
49 by
It's wrong. Read it again. You are doing it wrong.
ma'am.
Ma'am, the fourth one I didn't understand.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
so is it 3y plus 4 equals 49?
Pardon, please?
Is it 3y plus 4?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. I think I was reading it wrong.
Yes, Ananya, it's correct for you as well.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't got the fourth one.
No worries, I'll do it.
Ma'am, can we discuss that?
Just wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, yes, Hepzibah, your answers are also correct. So I'll just tell the answer for the first two. So the first one is, it says, the second one says, Lakshmi father is 49 years old. Right? So as always, I always share a trick with you that whenever they say is, right? So that means 49 is equals to. He is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi age. So Lakshmi age you will take, right? 3y. Lakshmi age is 3 times Lakshmi age. So 3y. Older means?
Plus.
Older means plus. Younger means minus. Younger means younger brother, right? And older this. So plus 4. So this is the equation for the second one. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third one. The teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Right? So highest score is 87. Yes. Lowest is L. So twice of lowest marks. 2L plus 7 would give you 87. Clear to everybody or anyone has any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one. So before doing this question, everybody should know what is an isosceles triangle. Anyone who know what is an isosceles triangle?
Both sides are equal.
Yes. So isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. For example, these two, A, B, and C. Okay. So in an isosceles triangle, the vertex is twice either base angle. Let the base angle be B. So base angle is B, right? Remember that the number of angle in a triangle is sum of angles is 1. So let's just take angle A equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Clear? So angle B, this one for example, it's given B. Okay? Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here they says that the base is 2B. Right? This is now let the base be B. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So let's just take B 2B plus B plus B. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now equals to 180 degree. Yes. So over here 2B plus this 4B equals to 180 degree. Right? So this is your equation. Okay? Yes?
Ma'am, where did the 4 come from?
4B you will add it up, na? What I did. You will add it. 2B plus B plus B. So 2B plus, there are again 2B. So 2B plus 2B is 4B.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So everybody note it down.
Then
Ma'am, I did it.
Everybody finished? Anyone who's still writing the answers? No, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's just start with the next one where you have to basically find the values. Till now you were only answering, right? But now it's time to solve the equation. Okay, so now the next thing which we'll be starting is solving the equation. Okay. So before starting that, I would only like to tell you one thing that you need to take care of. Just follow these two rules and you can solve any problem. Okay. First, this
okay.
table that you need to remember. See, this equals to is basically a barrier between your house and my house. Okay. So whenever, like for example, you are sitting at your house, right? You will be casually sitting. You will be wearing the casual clothes and all that. But once you will visit your friend's house, you will change your clothes, right? You will wear the new clothes and something like that, right? So here also, for example, some number, for example, this is -4. He is negative with this side. So when he will go this side, he will become +4. Okay. So whenever a number shift on right hand side from left hand side or from right hand side to left hand side, they change the operation. If they are negative, they will become positive. If they are positive and then they will go this side, they will become negative. Getting my point? Yes, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And like for example, they are in multiplication, they will be in division. Yes. And if they are in division, they will be in multiplication. This part is clear to you, right? Now, this one is clear that positive become negative, negative become positive. If you want to write it, you can make it like this. Negative, when it will go this side, it will become positive. If it is positive, when it will go this side, it will become negative. When if it is multiplication, when it will go this side, it will become division. And if it is in division, it will become multiplication. If you want to write it, you can write it. Okay, so this is your first rule. Rule number 1. Now, second rule is make it alone. Make it alone. Okay, don't write make it alone. Instead of this, write make the variable alone. Yes? Okay. So now you have to find the value of a particular variable. It can be X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, any variable. Right? So if you have to find its value, you have to make it alone. Okay. For example, I said that today I will take a Viva of Hepzibah. So automatically I need Hepzibah and me only in the class. So slowly and slowly all the students will start leaving Hepzibah. Rida will leave, then Ananya will leave. Everybody will leave the class. And now it's only Hepzibah and me. Clear? Yes?
Yes.
So this is what. So whenever you have to find the value of any variable, just remember this, you have to make it alone. Okay? Now how do we make it alone? For example, 2m plus 7 equals to 0. Yes? Now with this m, how many numbers are there, ma'am? This is and this is. Yes? So you have to make this m alone. Get my point. You have to make this alone. So first what you will do, you will shift this 7 this side. So what will be left here? Only 2m would be left here because the 7 went this side. This 7 was plus. So here it will be -7.
Minus.
Clear?
So it will be negative.
So you will solve it. So you got -7 here. Okay, you need to solve it. Now after this 2 is another friend. He also will leave it because you have to make m alone. Now what is the relationship between 2 and m?
Positive.
Not positive.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So now it will go this side in division. Right?
Okay.
So this is the value of m. Clear? So don't worry. The only thing you have to remember is you have to change the sign of the numbers that you are sending. If they are positive, they will become negative. If they are negative, they will become positive like this. And second thing that you have to make a variable alone. Send all the numbers, whoever are there, right? Send them all one by one. In one go not.